subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Oppo is all set to launch its new flagship phones under Find X3 lineup called Oppo Find X3 Lite, Find X3 Neo and Find X3 Pro. Earlier we saw the leak renders of the Oppo Find X3 Pro, and now the renders of Oppo Find X3 Neo has surfaced online with some key specifications, and it seems to be a rebranded version of Oppo Reno 5 Pro Plus smartphone that was launched a month ago in China. According to leaks and rumors, the Oppo Find X3 Neo will support a curved 6.55-inch Full HD Plus OLED display with 90Hz refresh rate, and it has a hole punch at the top left corner that will house an 32-megapixel selfie camera. The rear panel of the phone is seen to have a quad camera setup in a rectangular module at the top left corner, including LED flash. The quad rear cameras will include one 50-megapixel main camera along with the 13-megapixel telephoto lens plus 16-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens and 2-megapixel macro lens. Under the hood, the phone will come powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 chipset paired with 8 or 12GB of RAM and 128 or 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage. On the software front, the handset will run on Android 11 based on ColorOS 11.1 skin on top, and it packs with 4500 mAh battery that will support 65W fast charging. Additionally, the smartphone is also set to feature an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is expected to launch anytime soon in the month of March this year in black and blue color options. So, as of now, that's all we know about the Oppo Find X3 Neo smartphone, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys now next video.